your girl Brittney.Dashay back with another video, and this one is going to be like promised from the ball cap method that I told y'all. I'm going to show you how I'm going to lay a lace front wig, and it is going to be a synthetic wig. So your girl went to Amazon and did some shopping. I did recently pick up a synthetic wig from it's like MissyVan. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's going to be in the description below, the link to the Amazon site that I got this wig from. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's a synthetic wig. I have seen a lot of people do videos on like the pink wig, so I decided to get the red orange wig. To be honest with you, it's not the color that I expected because it was like darker online, but it's still really nice. I'm gonna take it out. It comes with this card and some instructions like how to care for the hair, and it comes in this net. It has the tissue inside, but this is the wig. It feels really good. To be honest with you, I've taken it out of the packaging probably like 3 times. Heat resistant, or it can have heat to it. Not high heat, but it can have heat to it. A lot of videos, I haven't seen anyone curl it. That is one thing that I want to try to do, but I won't do it in this video. It'll be like one of my update videos that I'll do for this wig. So this is the parting. The parting for the wig isn't as long as I would have liked. If y'all want to see how I achieve getting this wig laid, this synthetic Amazon wig laid, continue to watch the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscription bell so you know when your girl is uploading. I'm just sitting here playing with this wig, so let's get into this video. All right. Y'all, so I've already put my wig on my mannequin head because I wanted to show y'all that it comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. It does have adjustable straps, so I'm going to adjust that, but I want it to be scalpy here, so I'm going to apply some foundation so it has like a natural part when I do part it in like whatever sections. It's a 13 by 4 parting, so I get like a 4-inch parting. So it's a little spotty, but I already put my foundation, so just to set that, I'm going to put a little freeze spray. gonna let this set for a little bit, then I'm gonna come back to y'all with my full face, and I'm gonna I'm gonna hit it with some heat a little bit just so it can straighten, and I might go through and kind of frame it around my face. So yeah, gonna check y'all back. All right, y'all, so I did a little look because I felt like I needed to do something to my face to really get the full look of it. So I did go in and like frame it around my face. So I'm going to just put a little bit of heat. Okay, so I finished flat ironing my hair, so I might try to see if this wig can hold a curl. I'll do a separate video with that, but I do feel a difference with when I flat ironed it. It doesn't feel as tangled as before, so and I might see about cutting some more layers into it. I like more volume in my hair, but it's still good. So this is the lace. Well, the hairline could be much better, but I know that's going to be my doing. But it's okay. And this right here, like I cut that into the hair. It didn't have those layers, but it's a lot of hair. So if you're not really into a lot of hair, I wouldn't advise for you to get this unit. It's a lot for your girl, especially because I haven't had to deal with hair in so long, but I am loving it. I just wish I could have a little bit of volume, but I think I'm going to try to do the style of the reason why I wanted to buy it, because it was this style that I saw of two puffs right there, like two little knocker balls. So the hair is okay. Yeah, I'm gonna come right back to y'all. I'm gonna try to do this hairstyle that really made me want to get this unit and see if it works. If it doesn't, y'all will know, because my hair will be the same. Alright y'all, so yeah, I played around with it. This is the hairstyle that is on the website that made on Amazon that made me want to get it. It doesn't look exactly like it, but it's close enough. So the hair it's okay. I know that I am a little rusty with hair, because I haven't had to do wigs in, I would say, like 3 years, so your girl is a little rusty. But yes, I like the wig. It flat ironed good. It feels good after it was flat ironed. This is, I don't like the track showing right here, so this is just to show y'all the reason why I really got this wig, because I like the style that it did it. Clearly, I don't know how they achieved this. It must have been a picture that they used from another wig, because they did some voodoo magic to be able to not have any of that sticking up and still achieve that style. But again, I like the color. I wish it was darker, but it's okay. The length, I do plan on probably putting this wig on my mannequin head and playing around with it, probably trying to curl it, something like that, just so it can add some volume to it. But I like the wig. This is the type of wig that I'll probably have to like just throw on if I want to like not do anything with my hair. The only thing is, because of the length and with the type of hair, it's going to tangle. So be prepared if you are looking for like a reasonable synthetic wig. It's okay. I know that I could have probably gotten a good like sensational wig, something like that, but it was still good. I don't want to not say that it's not a good wig. And yeah, the quality of it is good. The lace was good to blend, to cut. All of that was really good. This is the hairline. I know that it probably, like this part, this is from my lace of the actual unit, the actual wig. So I didn't cut enough off. So I could go back through there or lay some more baby hairs down to disguise that. But it's not too bad. I like it. Play around with it. But yes, again, I'm going to put the link in the description. So if you do want to check this wig out, I think it's worth the buy just to see. Just be aware that it is a synthetic wig. So if you're not comfortable with synthetic wigs or you don't know how to handle synthetic wigs, I wouldn't get it. But it is a nice quality. I plan on coming back to you guys with another review of this hair, letting you know about how it curls, things like that. It flat irons well, but I really want to try to put a curl to it. I know with most synthetic hair, I've curled it, like spray a little, like mist it with water and then curl it and then roll it with a curler and like a roller or whatever, and it will hold a curl good. But that's with other synthetic wigs. Hopefully it's the same with this one. But I don't want to ramble, so please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to check out how I achieve like a bald cap, or I do the bald cap method, that link will be in the description also. So make sure that you click that link so you're able to see how I achieve the bald cap method. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.